Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa branch. So my dear students, today's video lecture we will discuss and revise and resolve questions of exercise 9. This is class 5th, chapter number 4, operations involving large numbers. As you know friends, in the previous class or the video lecture, we had discussed and resolved couple of questions, some questions of exercise 6, 7 and 8. So now friends, let's get started. Now see friends, we have taken question 1 from exercise 9, and first question says a factory produces 13,780 bulbs every day. How many bulbs will be produced in 278 days? Very simple friends. So this questions is nothing, it's simply we have to multiply, because one day the production of one day is given, because the one day 13,718 bulbs. Okay, so in 278, first write friends every day means friends one day. Okay, हर एक दिन यानी एक दिन में एक कंपनी 13,780 बल्ब को बनाती है, निर्मात करती है. ओके, तो मुझे 278 दिनों में कितने बल्ब का निर्यात, कितने बल्ब प्रोड्यूस किए जा सकते हैं. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट सिंस इन अ डे, in one day, every day means one day. In one day the production of bulb, the production of bulb is कितना है, 13,780. ओके, सो देयरफॉर एक दिन में दिस डेट मीन्स 278 डेज में, वन डे में दिस इज सपोज 3 थिंग्स, 2 डे में दिस इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. ओके, एंड देन 278 डेज में 278 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ इसलिए देयरफॉर इन 278 डेज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ bulbs, इन बल्ब्स की टोटल उत्पाद कितनी है, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ bulbs. ओके, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ bulbs is this 13,780 multiply by friends 278. So friends, this write the column as first 31378 multiply by 287. Now multiply friends and you will get the answer. I hope you will be clear. So first friends, try to understand the statement, the questions of the question. Okay, so because and this topics is simply operations involving large numbers, means we have to face the 4 or more operations in this chapter. Okay, so here is very simple. In per day is 13,780 bulbs. There is the production of bulbs in one day. So 278 days means we have to simply multiply with. So whatever the answer, whatever the multiplication you get, so this is your answer. I hope you will be clear. Now next. Now see friends, question number 2. Very interesting question. Question number 2 says there are 125 apple trees in an orchard. Orchard means friends बगीचा. ओके, जहाँ बहुत सारे पेड़ होंगे. ओके, each tree has 40 branches. Branches means उसकी शाखाएं. There are 20 apples on each branch. हाउ मेनी एप्पल्स आर देयर इन द ऑर्चैंड, मतलब उस बगीचे में, उस ऑर्चैंड में, उस गार्डन में टोटल कितने एप्पल्स होंगे वो फाइंड करनी है. लेट अस फिगर आउट फ्रेंड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एग्जाम्पल. सपोज फ्रेंड देयर इज a tree. This is apple tree. Suppose, so there is the branch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, up to how many branches? Here says 40 branches. So each tree has 40, यानी एक पेड़ में कितने branches हैं? 40 branches हैं. And there are how many trees? There are 125 trees. Okay, कितने trees हैं? 100. First find the total number of apples in one tree. एक ट्री में एप्पल की संख्या फाइंड करते हैं, फिर जितना रहेगा उतना से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, एंड ईच ब्रांच फ्रेंड्स, each branch has how many apples? 20. Here is the 20 apples friends, 20 apple. Here is also 20 apple. Up to how many branches? Yes, there is 40 branches, because this question says each tree has 40 branches and each branches carries 20 apples. एक ब्रांच में 20 एप्पल्स है और ऐसे ऐसे कितने ब्रांच हैं? 40. डैट मीन्स 40 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20 करेंगे. दिस इज 8, 4 to 8, 800 एप्पल्स. डैट मीन्स one tree has 800 apples, and we have to find 125 trees. Number of apples in 125 trees. That means 800 is going to be multiplied with 125, and we will get the answer friends. Okay, now simply friends, I hope you will be clear. See friends, now number of apples in one tree. एक ट्री में नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स. नाउ सी फ्रेंड्स, हाउ मेनी ब्रांचेस? देर आर 40 ब्रांचेस. सो वन ब्रांच कैरीज 20 एप्पल्स. सो 20 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस इज 40. सो दिस इज 800 एप्पल्स. एक ट्री में कितने एप्पल्स हो गए? दिस इज 800. ओके, $800 एप्पल्स. नो, इसलिए देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स इन number of apples 125th apple trees. 125 एप्पल ट्री में कितने नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स होंगे फ्रेंड्स? दिस इज 800 इज वन ट्री में. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 125 फ्रेंड्स. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग, नाउ हेयर मल्टीप्लाई फ्रेंड्स. 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, ओनली 8 से, बाकी 2 times 0. दिस इज 4 इज बैलेंस. 8 2 जा 16. दिस इज 4 22 इज बैलेंस. 8 2 जा 10 मीन्स 1000. 1000 the 2 times 0 friends. So this is your answer friends. Total number of apples in the orchard is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh apple. Okay, 1 lakh apple. I hope you will be clear. Now see the next question friends. Now see friends, question number 6 says the product of two numbers is 1,27,008. One of them is 882. Find the other number. So what is the clue friends to find out the answer? That means what we are going to do, what to do and what not to do from here. What types of operation will be applied over here? Yes, see friends, in order to understand this question, if we take instead of this huge number as suppose 10 friends, suppose 10, and instead of this number suppose 2, then this question becomes very easier friends. Now see, now we are going to read. The product of two numbers is 10. one of them is to find the other number. Means friends, this question says the product of two numbers, this number multiply by another number, the product of two numbers is equal to 10. So one number is given friends, one number is given. So what number should be filled in this box to get 10? Yes, this is 5 friends. But what is the concept to get this 5? So the concept is friends, this 10 is divided by 2, means 10 को divide कर रहे हैं 2 से. Okay, this is why we get as 5. That means this number, this huge number is divided by this 882. I hope you will be clear. Now friends, directly we can write the required other number. Required other number is equal to this huge number divided by friends 882. And I hope friends you can easily divide this huge number by this, because you have already done a lots of questions in the previous exercise. So please divide as 127 2 times 0 8. Okay friends, and you will get the answer. Okay, now next. Now see friends, question number 7 says find the product of the least number and the greatest number of 3 digits which can be formed with the digits 9, 3 and 5. So friends, here is the term the least. The least means friends the smallest, सबसे छोटी number. Okay, the least means सबसे छोटा and the greatest means सबसे बड़ा. और numbers कहाँ से form करनी है? यहाँ से 9, 3, 5 से. ये 3 digits given है. Now first write the given digits. So given digits friends 9, 3 and 5. Now see friends, first we have to find out the least number of 3 digits. Look at the friends, least number of 3 digits from these given digits. Then find out the greatest number of 3 digits from this given digits. Okay, now then find the product. Okay, now first the least number of 3 digits आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, 3 digit is equal to least friends. Remember friends, while you are going to write the least number from the given digits, and we have to arrange the digits friend increasing order. Remember increasing order means सबसे small सबसे छोटा लेंगे, then इससे just बड़ा, then सबसे last में बड़ा. So we have to arrange increasing order friend. This is, look at the increasing order. This is smaller, then greater, then the greatest. Okay, now next friends, the greatest number of 3 digits. इसका just उल्टा लेंगे friends, 3 digit. While you are going to make the greatest number of, see friends, while you are going to make the greatest number of 3 digits, we have to arrange the given digits in decreasing order. Means first write the greatest digit, then afterward the smaller, then the last, so afterward is just smaller, then the last is smallest friends. And we have to find the product of these least numbers and the greatest number friends. Now the required number friends, this 3, 5, 9 multiply by 9, 5, 3. पहले आप इसे लिखिए या पहले इसे लिखिए, डजेंट मैटर, ओनली मल्टीप्लाई करना. किसी से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए इस तरह से, पहले ऊपर इसे लिख दिया 3, 5, 9. I hope friends you can multiply and you will get the answer. Okay, after multiplying these two numbers. Okay, now next, now see friends, question number 10 says a necklace has 3 strings of pearls Each string has 100 pearls. The pearls come in pockets, each containing 120 pearls. How many pockets of pearls would be required to make 13,722 such necklace? वेरी सिंपल इन हिंदी फ्रेंड्स, एक नेकलेस में कितने 3 धागे हैं, 3 स्ट्रिंग हैं. सपोज मान लेते दिस इज 1 2 एंड दिस इज 3. ओके, ये 3 धागे हैं. सपोज ये 1 नेकलेस है. ओके, कितने धागे हैं? 3 धागे हैं. सो ईच स्ट्रिंग्स कैरिंग 100 पेल्स. ये 100, दिस इज ऑल्सो 100 फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ऑल्सो 100. 100 मोती एक स्ट्रिंग में, एक धागे में कितनी मोतियां हैं? 100. दैट मीन्स इन वन नेकलेस में हाउ मेनी पर्ल्स? दिस इज 300. लुक एट फ्रेंड्स, दैट मीन्स 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100, 300 पर्ल्स. ओके, first thing, that means we have already found that one necklace has 300 pearls. Okay, now the next things, the pearls come in pockets and each containing 100. और पर्स, ये मोतियाँ कहाँ से आ रही हैं? ये मोतियाँ किसके अंदर रखी हैं? पॉकेट में रखी है. एक पॉकेट मान लेते, दिस इज द पॉकेट, 120 pearls. दिस इज द पॉकेट, 120 pearls. बस दिस इज द पॉकेट, 120 pearls. वैसे बहुत सारे तो पॉकेट्स होंगे. हाउ मेनी पॉकेट्स of pearls would be required to make such a great number of necklace? यानी इस नंबर को इतने नेकलेस बनाने के लिए 13,722 नेकलेस बनाने के लिए कितने मोतियों के बॉक्स की पॉकेट की ज़रूरत पड़ेंगी? सिंपल क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ pearls इन ईच नेकलेस. देन फाइंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ pearls इन 13,722 नेकलेस. यानी इतना नेकलेस में कितनी मोतियां की ज़रूरत है, पहले वो फाइंड कर लेंगे. देन वी विल डिवाइड दिस ह्यूज नंबर बाय 120 एंड वी विल गेट द numbers. Now see friends, first of all write down number of pearls in one necklace. Okay, necklace is equal to 3 multiplied by friends 100 by, because one necklace has 3 string. 3 string है एक नेक्लेस में, 3 धागा, तो 100 100 100 300. This is 300. Now see friend, next total number of, right, total number of pearls in 13,722 such necklace. अब एक में 300 है, तो जाहिर सी बात इतना में क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फ्रेंड्स. यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, जस्ट ए मिनट, 1372 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई बाई 300 फ्रेंड्स. ओके, ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ पर्ल्स आ गया है. इन टोटल नेकलेस में इतनी मोतियों की ज़रूरत है. नाउ फ्रेंड्स सी हियर, इन वन बॉक्स कैरीज 120 पल्स. मुझे पल्स फाइंड नहीं करना. पल्स अगर फाइंड करना होता तो ये आंसर हो जाता मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस, वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ पॉकेट्स दैट केप ऑल द 120 पल्स इन ईच बॉक्स. 120 pulse, each box carries 120 pulse. That means now we have to divide. Now friends, now after multiplying, now the required, now friends, after multiply, now friends see, after multiplying these two numbers friends, we will get this number. Then divide this number by 120 friends, by, because one box, one pocket carries 120 pulse. So the required pockets friends is equal to this number 411600 divided by friends 120, and we will get friends 300 whatever the numbers after dividing by this is 305 after. So please divide this by 120. We will get the total number of required pockets. I hope friends you will understand. Now next. Now see friends, question number 11 says a trinary farm has 2450 cows. Each cow gives 24 liter of milk. 24 liters of milk. Sorry, is 24 liters of milk. The farm sends the milk to the town in containers of equal size. If each container can carry 105 liters of milk, how many containers are needed to send the milk to the town? Simple. Means we have to find the number of containers that we needed, that the farm needed to send the town. Now first write the number of cows. So number of cows friend 2450. Okay, now look at the friends, every cow gives 24 liters of milk. So now the total liters, total milk in liter. Okay, now total milk in liters friends 2450 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, बिकॉज एक गाय 24 लीटर दूध देती है, तो दो गाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24, 3 गाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24, दिस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 24 फ्रेंड्स, दिस मल्टीप्लाई 24, डायरेक्ट 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, कितना आंसर आ रहा है देख लीजिए, पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, we are going to find the number of containers, required number of containers. So each container carries friends 105 liters. So since one container carries 105 liter of milk. Okay, so therefore we have to find this. That means इसको आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स, 1 कंटेनर कैन 5 दिस 105 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, 1 कंटेनर has 105 liters of milk. Now friends, now the required container. So the required containers friends, simple. Now the required containers, required CONTAINERS. Now the required containers is, now after multiplying this, first of all multiply, then write the. So this friends, how many liters? 5800 liter, yani 5800 liters. Okay, 58,800 liters total milk in liter, 58,800. So this 58,000 and 800, 58,800 is divided by friends 105. After dividing this number, we will get friends, your answer is 560. So friends, divide 58,800 by 105 and you will get the answer as 560 container. That means the form needed how many containers? 560. I hope you will be clear. Divide करके आप solve कर लेंगे. Okay. Now see friends, this is the last question. Question number 12. Simplify 716 minus curly bracket and inside the small bracket 1950 divided by 5 of 3 minus inside the small bracket 4 plus 217 divided by 7 friends, and the whole close with the curly bracket. Now see the solution friends. First write the solution. First friends, if you remember the board mass friends, board mass BODMAS. First we have to work for brackets where there is but we have 3 brackets friends, small bracket, curly bracket and then big bracket. First we have to work for this, then afterward this, then this, but here is no big bracket, so remove. First we work inside this small bracket, then come to the curly bracket, then division friends and multiplication and so on. Okay, now see friends, 760 16 as it is minus, now solve this number. Here is 1950 and first friends of BODMAS. बिफोर डिवीजन फर्स्ट कम फ्रेंड्स ऑफ, फर्स्ट ऑफ का काम करेंगे उसके बाद डिवाइड की तरफ जाएंगे. ओके, इसीलिए सबसे पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. डिवाइड एज इट इज 5 3 जा 15, ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करना. ओके, करली ब्रैकेट. सो दिस इज माइनस 4 एज इट इज, देन पहले इसमें डिवाइड का काम करेंगे. ओके, या एज इट इज आप चाहें तो इसको लिख सकते हैं, इट डजेंट मैटर. इस केस में आप यहाँ पे डिवाइड भी दे सकते थे. ओके, नेक्स्ट में वर्क करेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी 716 एज इट इज, करली ब्रैकेट. नाउ डिवाइड फ्रेंड्स 15 में 15 से डिवाइड देंगे, 1950 में डिवाइड दे दिए. 15 1 जा 15 फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज 4 फ्रेंड्स, राइट डाउन 5 3 जा 45 फ्रेंड्स, here the 0, write the 0, here is also 0. 100 friends and 30. Okay, so here is minus friends, sorry, small bracket remove, then remove this small bracket and write 130 inside the curly bracket. Now see friends, here is the minus, write down, this is 4 as it is, plus यहाँ पे 217 से डिवाइड, 7 से डिवाइड देंगे इसमें, 7 3 जा फ्रेंड्स 21, 0 7 1 जा 7. सो दिस इज 31st फ्रेंड्स, राइट डाउन हेयर, क्लोज एंड करली ब्रैकेट विद. नो सी फ्रेंड, दिस इज 716, दिस इज 130 एज इट इज, रिमूव दिस. नाउ दिस इज 4 plus 31, दिस इज 35 फ्रेंड्स, एंड रिमूव द स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. ओके, and here, sorry friends, here write the curly bracket. So here is, this is not friends, sorry, here is curly bracket and there is curly bracket. Okay, write on the curly bracket. Now this is 716 minus, subtract friends, this is 95. Okay, now subtract 10 5 12, this is 9. Okay, now subtract, this is 6 1. So this is friends 11, this is 2, and here is friends, this is 6. So 621, this is answer. Okay, I hope you will be clear friends. So please solve all the questions. Your today's homework friends, write on the homework, exercise 9, this is the homework friends, exercise 9 and test number 1. Okay, both the homeworks. So please solve each and every question. If you have any doubt, confusion, so please ask me. Okay, have a nice day.